say you're sorry.
What I learned from this session is precisely above where this all sauces po is utilized and how they are different from one another since yun yung pinaka mismo topic ni Chef. And this session also makes me realize na kung bakit yung mga chef na to, yung pinapanood ko mga chef sa TikTok, sa YouTube, ay ang ginagamit talaga nila constantly yung Japanese mayo. So, yun ko lang na-realize kay Chef na yung egg yolk pala na ginagamit dito sa mga Japanese mayo na to is in a world class. And also, may hint siya ng umami. Kaya pala sabi ko, kaya pala yung laging ginagamit ng mga nag-cooking vlog na mga chef from the Philippines. Ganun. And as a result, syempre, kailangan ko yun matry kasi hindi ko pa siya natatry. So I know some of you also would like to try that, no? Para syempre, mas maging knowledgeable enough tayo para sa flavor niya and taste. Kasi nga sabi ni Chef, di ba kanina, it's very important na kailangan titikman natin yung mga niluluto natin. And also, syempre, isa din sa mga tulong ko dito sa session natin is yung mag-invest tayo sa mga high-quality devices. Syempre, yung nasabi ni Chef kanina, kailangan sa mga sauces na to yung high-speed blender na para makapag-require ito so dun sa emulsion process na sinasabi. Kasi mas mapapadali yung trabaho natin at the same time, makukuha natin yung right consistency ng ating sauce. So, yun po yung mga natutunan ko for this session. So,
Hi po, opo.
Okay. Sige,
Hello,
sige,
ayan. Natutunan ko po, maraming iba't ibang sauces din po pala. Since itong nag-senior high lang po ako, konting simpleng sauces lang po, like yung vinaigrette lang po yung mismong parang nakafocus po kami noon. So ngayon lang po, madami rin po pala siya and pati yung kung paano po siya ginawa, kung paano po yung proper mga steps po niya, then yung mga examples din po niya. Ayun, thank you po.
Yes, that's right.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you,
so many
Sandra.
things.
Okay, so thank you for sharing your thoughts, no? Very right. Kasi, like, ako din, no? Personally, parang naririnig ko lang din yung vinaigrette na yan. Pero, hindi ko pa talaga totally na parang detail by detail na naririnig through the explanation ni Chef kanina na detailed niya in-explain kung ano yung mga ginagamit ng mga ingredient at how to make that ingredient na maging maayos talaga para gamitin dun sa mismong sauce na yon. So,
Hello, Chef. How are you?
Very good. Thank you, Doreen.
So, ayun, Chef. Few key takeaways po that I have learned from this session is that yung about po sa salad dressing, you explained po or elucidated its composition with eggs, tapos po oil, seasonings, and yung additional flavorings. As well, I have also learned din po about cold sauces like yung aioli and aspic jelly or whatever you pronounce that it's emerged as its crucial elements po in elevating cold food presentations. So, ayun, Chef. Thank you.
Yeah. Very good. Thank you.
thank you as well. Diba, no, ang hirap i-pronounce yung mga French word or French term na discuss na Chef. So, at least kahit paano, diba, natututo tayo na, ganito pala yung proper pronunciation ng mga French term ng ganito, diba? So, thank you, Doreen, for that.
So, today I learned about cold sauces such as aioli, cocktail sauce, pesto, harissa, salsa, and etc. Same with Sandra, mga basic sauces lang talaga yung nalalaman ko before. And also addition, Chef also said that when making cold sauces, we start with the base, which are the oil and vinegar. Then after that, we can add the other ingredients that needed for the sauce. Ayun lang.
Yes. Yeah, a lot of sauces. I'm telling you, there's hundreds of sauces that you need to learn.
Tapos yung distinction lang nila, Chef, isang ingredient lang, no? Tapos iba-iba na yung tawag sa kanya.
Yes.
Hello po, Chef. Hello po. So, yung takeaways ko po dito is, since sa family po namin, mahilig na po talaga kami magluto-luto, ganyan. And mostly po, naririnig ko na po yung ibang sauces po na nabanggit. And ngayon po, mas parang appreciate ko po siya kasi basta discuss niyo po siya ng one by one po talaga. Ayun po.
Yes, good.
So,
No worry,
ayun.
there will be more.
Yes. Marami pa tayong mapagtututunan from Chef. Yun talaga yung pinaka-promise ni Seth sa atin.